This is a message to the Wayshowers from the Teachers of Light. Your path is ahead of you. You are here to serve and to show the way. You are a being of light and vibration, and you speak, and your words are made of light. The energy of sound and light are synonymous. They are the same. You are a vibration. You are a field of being. You are that which is pulsations and radiance of the divine being. In understanding your own vibration, you must come to center first. You must know your center, and you must know your will. Your will force is your first and primary root. It combines and connects you to the earth. It also combines and connects you to the central sun or the center of this galaxy. There is a connection or a grid line between every being within the earth to the sun, to the center of the galaxy. These connections are non-physical transmission lines that allow for the communication of divine spirit to emanate through the solar vibratory field. All things that are in existence within the physical are of a nature of vibration. In this vibrating pattern there is a movement above and below a line. This line is the central strand. It moves in a linear fashion. It moves forth and creates thought forms, and they grow in size by the increase of the pulsation and the intensity in that focus within that point in time. Through time, there is an energization of a point of space that in both instances these points are linear progressions along a movement or a stream. In your alignment with the path of the stream of energy, you are the creator of the stream, and the stream flows out from you. It flows out from you as you are hearing these words are flowing out. You are seeing the effect of your eyes to look into and see outward. You are feeling the energy come back to you, and you hear the words spoken, and you see the images that your eyes are aware of. Everything is a vibratory field. Wayshowers, you are given a time and a plan, and you are given a point and guidance to understand. The teachers of light have pointed you towards the path of enlightenment. This is no longer a game. This is your path and your life. You are Wayshowers of the golden sun. You are here to help and reach into everyone. You are to bring forth the lighted pathway. It is for you to know that this is the golden age. It is spoken to you to know this truth. You are given hope, and you are given food. You are the ones chosen, and we love you. The teachers of light wish for you to be aware of your being, to know that you are the ones that are bringing forth the destiny that has been spoken of for eons. It is always this way. It is always those that are young and strong and vibrant and wise to take up the power and to lead the family of light into the new dawn. You are the bringers of the dawn. You are the ones that have been chosen by the celestials. You are connected to the higher principles of life, of goodness, of knowledge, of happiness, of wisdom, of love, of appreciation, of kindness, of compassion, of valor, an appreciation of yourself to be the courageous one that will speak forth and walk into the light that is calling you.